This is insane. I'm about to blow your mind with what is one of the most brilliant examples of a Shopify conglomerate. This isn't actually just an individual Shopify store. It is a group of Shopify stores owned under one umbrella, and it's going to give you not only some ideas on how you can build your own Shopify store, but also what you could do once you do build it in terms of selling it or buying stores. This is going to be a very eye-opening video today. And yeah, it's very inspiring for me personally because this is basically what I'm trying to build as well. So what I'm talking about is an inspiring company called Open Store. Now, if you've never heard about Open Store, today is going to be a treat. What they do is they actually are basically like a brokerage for Shopify stores. So a long time ago, there was an exchange called the Shopify Exchange where you could buy and sell Shopify stores. And they closed that down. Shopify actually decided, you know what, let's not do this anymore. Let's just focus on Shopify as a software product. And when that happened, it opened up a huge gap in the market for selling Shopify stores. And these guys decided to take full advantage of that. As you see, their traffic is slowly going down a little bit, but they're still driving a lot of traffic to their store. That was actually a little bit less traffic than I anticipated, which just goes to show how powerful the concept of leverage is, because with that amount of traffic, they're actually valued at over $1 billion. Now, as you see, you can basically get your store acquired very quickly. So let's say we want to sell our business. We buy great businesses built on Shopify, right? So what they do is they buy and operate more Shopify brands than any other company. 2 million customers have shopped our 40 plus brands, offering 100,000 products across categories. Basically, some of the reasons why people sell to these guys is because they give you good offers, they have a simple process, and they close very fast. You know, they got a lot of crazy stuff going on. Basically, they are operating these businesses, which is not easy, but the thing is, they've raised a lot of money actually. So here's kind of the key that has allowed them to do this. They've raised a lot of money in funding. Okay, so I mentioned this is inspiring to me because it's along the lines of what I'm trying to do. I'm doing it a little bit different though. I don't have $150 million of funding, but what I do have is an incredible community like you guys of people that love Shopify and are building Shopify businesses. And I'm building Shopify businesses too. And I have also an agency that helps Shopify businesses. So I'm doing the sweat equity way. I'm getting, my team together and our processes together in order to basically empower you to build your Shopify store. So that's what we do at Akemi Lab, right? We have some products, we have services, all sorts of things, right? We have services for big brands or not even that big of brands. For example, there was a brand here where we scaled them from 72K to 500K in 3 months. So we can do kind of the same thing that Open Door does, and you can apply for that at akemilab.com. We also have products now, such as the Research Lab. Some of you guys may know about this. Some of you guys are part of this actually. And then we also have the Accelerator now, which is a really high level community. And through the Accelerator, I believe that we're going to be able to build our own version of Open Store. So make sure you go to akemilab.com and apply for the Accelerator if that's something you're interested in. It's really cool. And yeah, this is low key kind of the vision that we have here at Akemi Lab too, to build this conglomerate of brands where we're using our resources, our data, our processes, our knowledge to become partners in brands, acquire brands, and over time build this massive business. But they're kind of ahead, obviously. They got 150 million in funding. That's a pretty crazy amount of products or funding, and that's a lot of products. So what they've also done, which is really genius, is they've created this like internal web of just sales. Basically, what happens is whenever they have, let's say, complementary brands, they have like an open marketplace in the back end so that you can shop different kinds of brands that they own, right? So let's say, they have like a bikini brand and they also have like a fashion brand, right? They are able to put both of those products in the back end of that business, which I find really fascinating, to be honest with you, especially with AI. I feel like over time with AI, you're going to be able to really create a fascinating like network of brands that are actually all tied together. That's pretty cool. I mean, I think these guys are doing something super, super interesting. What I would love to add to it, I guess, which is what I'm adding to my version of this. So again, if you want to be a part of this, just, go to akemilab.com, or if this fits, what you do, then make sure you reach out to me. But basically, the way that I want to do it as well is actually not just to have Shopify stores, but to have software integrated into it, like vertical software that empowers Shopify stores, not only our own Shopify stores, but also other Shopify stores that we acquire or that we help. One of those things actually is Smart Reply AI, for example. This is one of my softwares that I became a part of recently, and this is a game changer when it comes to turning basically every meta interaction into sales. That's kind of what it does. So it allows you to automate your comment sections, your DMs, everything with real AI that is trained to get you sales. So I actually found out about this store a long time ago, but I didn't really know exactly their model. I thought that what they were was just literally a marketplace, right? Just a marketplace of Shopify stores. But in reality, they're actually just acquiring these brands and, stacking them up on top of each other and creating a really awesome, they're basically an operating company, which is really interesting. Again, it's a very unusual model. A lot of people, look at Gymshark, for example, as like $1 billion Shopify store, but this is, $1 billion Shopify store of Shopify stores, which is super cool to me. I really like it. And you want to know what you think. I mean, this is obviously way bigger than a lot of what you guys are thinking about. I mean, a lot of you guys are just trying to get your store up and running. And again, that's why we have the Akemi Lab. That's why I'm really happy about this company. It's like my favorite thing because we can help you, we can help you with a free AI built Shopify store. We have other services. We have our Discord, which is free to join. So, it's really cool what we're doing. And, seeing brands kill it at this level, like reach $1 billion valuations within the Shopify ecosystem, just gives me a lot of encouragement. It gives me a lot of inspiration because I've been in the Shopify game for a long time. So it's really cool to see just how far it can go. And yeah, let me know if you've heard of this before. Let me know your thoughts on it. I would really love to know, just your opinion in general and maybe some things that you want to see from the channel. But ultimately, I just wanted to share this fascinating brand. I wanted to explore it further with you and just share sort of like my vision as well with you guys. I know I don't often talk about like what I'm doing personally, but I've been doing a lot of crazy things. I've been working with some 9-figure brands, 8-figure brands. It's been pretty incredible. I've been learning so much this year. And obviously I have a daughter as well now, so that's been keeping me really busy. But everything is going in the right direction, and I'm so happy to have this community. I'm so happy to be able to empower you guys and help you and teach you things that I'm learning and also learn with you. It's truly amazing, this ecosystem that we've built here. And at KemiLab.com, I want to be at like the forefront of that, or I want that to be the foundation for everything. So everything from now on is going to go on that website. So if you ever are wondering if I have any products, if I have any services, if I have any tools or suggestions on software or anything along those lines, go to akemilab.com and that's where it will be. But yeah, that's besides the point. Really wanted to share this with you and explore it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.